Pohon, hopefully we'll reach that dream we want, that dream destination, or achieve those long-held dreams we have. Huwag ka sanang mawalan ng pag-asa. May all our hard work, sacrifices, and silent cries pay off someday. Sana'y matupad natin ang lahat ng mainaasam nating pangarap. Pohon, hopefully it will happen soon.